You searched for how to buy shares of Williams-Sonoma Inc., a retail company focused on kitchenware and home furnishings that trades on NASDAQ under the ticker WSM. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually have to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker WSM. Find the listing that corresponds to Williams-Sonoma on NASDAQ to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you'll see basic company info and a price chart. Confirm the company name and NASDAQ listing to make sure it is the right asset. Click Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, you can place a pending order or it will execute when trading reopens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the purchase, your WSM position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description for reference.